How to do dual WhatsApp on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to do dual WhatsApp on Android, or you would like to open dual WhatsApp account on your very Android mobile, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that if you have one WhatsApp application on your mobile device, you can only use one WhatsApp application within it before logging it out. Therefore, in order to open dual WhatsApp on your very mobile device on your Android, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you can go to the Play Store application there, and then in the search icon, first of all, you can search WhatsApp. Now, whenever you search WhatsApp there, you can see the interface like this. Now, here at first, you have to download this very application, which is named as WhatsApp Messenger. After downloading and installing it on your mobile device, you have to just log into it to any of your account that you want. After that, in the search icon again, you have to search WhatsApp Business, and after you search WhatsApp Business, you have to download and install this very WhatsApp Business application on your mobile as well. The very application user, both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp application, is the same. Therefore, you can just log into one of your account to WhatsApp Business and another of your account to the WhatsApp Messenger out there. So this is the way what you can do. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.